Ako, I'm offering my term. Sabi ko nga, makraft lang yan. Huwag kayong paproblema sa akin. If you can craft 3 years from now ang federal setup, but I would suggest that it must have a strong president, otherwise delikado. And ang parliament, president is limited, 5 powers lang yan, to convene and to call for an election, and maybe in times of war and danger of the state, he can intervene. Yun lang naman, pang-gobyerno, bigay mo sa parliament. So, ano pa ang kakapigil dito? Sabi ko sa kanila, dalian ninyo yan. Sabi ko, matapos kayo ng 2-3 taon, I will step down as president. You can have my word. Taya ninyo yan. Pag nagkaroon ng parliament at mag-eleksyon ng presidente, I will willingly step down. I will resign. I will not hang on to power. I do not need it. I have enough to be for 40 years as a congressman, mayor. It does not really seem different from what I'm doing now. Opisina lang o balay opisina. Same, I study at night. But that's about the sildo, cannot compare. Sa pagod mo, pagdating mo, lahat ng department yan sila, may folder. Defense, Foreign Affairs, galing kay DAB, basahin ko yung lahat gabi-gabi. Ako maglagay, okay. Disapprove. But I have to read. How can I disapprove? Approve without reading the... Anong oras ako matulog? Alas 3, alas 4, alas 5. Minsan alas 6. Tapos magising ako ng alas 12. Gisingin ako ng security kasi opisina. Or that I have to fly somewhere else to